Hi everyone, welcome back to my mom's channel. Today we are going to make some kulchas. So for evening snacks I was wondering to eat something, so my mother ordered some kulcha bread and made some kulchas. So my mother added boiled peas in a mixing bowl. We added boiled peas. You can add potatoes or anything you like. Also vegetable also needed. We added which vegetables we like. You can add which vegetables you also like. Add some salt for better taste and then mix it all. Keep it aside. After that, take some kulcha bread which is made from atta. If we want to make some kulcha, we'll only take the brand of Britannia because it is a good brand and it doesn't have any toxic inside. Now let's fry the kulcha bread in ghee. We are going to fry them all one by one, and we are gonna also fry them like a bread toast on both sides to make it crispy. After that, we are gonna shape the kulchas like taco and add the vegetable. If you don't know what taco is, you can see the video of how my mother is making. So we are gonna take some curd which is not sweet, and we are gonna put it in the vegetable on of our kulcha so that the taste is balanced. We are gonna do the same process for every kulchas and then we are gonna serve them. Now all of them are ready. Now we are gonna serve them and that's it. In this process no money was wasted. Only for kulchas we wasted 38 rupees and all the ingredients were home ingredients. If you make them, it's very tasty, you know. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.